Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. How's everybody doing today? Today is Thursday, November 26th, 2020. And oh wait, oh hi! Oh, seems like Rusty the Happy Rooster. Seems like Rusty the Happy Male Rooster's very eager today, guys. Yeah. So okay, let's get on with the story.
Happy Mail!
Yay! Happy Mail is in the house! Woo, woo, woo!
One,
two. Oh my God! Thanks, Rusty. Okay, so I know who this is from. This is from Crystal, our crochet friend in Canada. My neighbor. I call everybody that my neighbor. That's like within what, an hour or two. But anyway, this is from Crystal from Ricola's Crochet Corner. She reached out to me, so I know what's in these boxes. And actually, I was a bad girl, Crystal, because I got both of these. Showed up yesterday, and yeah. I know what you were sending me, so I kind of guessed from the size of the boxes which one to open first, and I was right. Okay, so I don't know what, well, I know, but I haven't seen what's in here yet, but I had to get this on my hook. Okay, because, okay, well, do you remember, guys, I made this pillow for my daughter, for my first grandbaby. Okay, so I made this pillow, I did a video on it, and then I wanted to make a matching blanket. So, Crystal reached out to me, and well, let me show you what she sent to me. I guess right on the boxes, so I opened this last night because I couldn't hold back. Okay, so she sent me, guys, yay! And you'll notice there's one missing. She sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls of Bernay premium white yarn. Yay! Number 4 weight. 360 yards in each one. And like I said, I've got this missing one on my hook. Yes, I do. And she sent me something else. So let me show you. Crystal, look how far. Look at, I'm on row 16 or 17th of the baby blanket. So thank you very much. Okay, so here's the missing ball, guys. Here's the missing ball. It's on my hook, but so I had to crack into this box. And it's funny, I guessed the right box. But anyway, look. I'm making a bubble baby blanket. So I'm going to be adding all the colors. I'm starting off, I'm going to be adding, whoops, where are they? All the colors. And I'll tell you more about this, guys, in another video. So I think, yeah, like I said, I'm using a 5mm hook. So all my baubles will be, I got things everywhere, guys. So I'm doing the white, then the cream, and then this color, and then this color, and this color for the bauble stitch rows on that blanket. And then continuing on. This, you know, every time you go to a bauble stitch. I'll tell you more about that later. So anyway, oh, that was so, I can't believe it. And she sent me something else, I guess because, look at how she packs. So I guess she didn't want an empty hole there, is that, you're funny. I guess she didn't want an empty hole. Look at her packing, that's freaking, look at that. Like I said, that one ball fit perfectly here. And then I guess she tucked in this, which I really haven't explored. What is it? Looks really, oh my God, look at this, guys. Oh, isn't that, look at the colors in this. Let me Look at that. Let me bend them down. What is this yarn? The color name is called Sapphires. It's a 4 medium by Universal Yarn Classic Shades. Oh, that's nice. That feels beautiful. How many yards? I don't know. 197 yards. I love this. This is stunning. Let me show the... I don't know if I'm showing it correctly. Oh, that... Thank you. This is really nice. Made in Turkey, that's why. It's made in Turkey, guys. Oh, it's 70% acrylic and 30% wool. You're allergic to wool, aren't you? Huh. I'm not. At least I don't think it. Well, I mustn't be if I'm like fondling it. And I really haven't worked with wool, have I? Oh no, I'm starting that. I hope my baby. Because remember this one section here was I think it's a wool fiber here. Anyway, yee. This is beautiful. Okay, Lisa, make your baby blanket. Oh my Lord. Okay, so, oh my God, you are so, oh my God. Okay, 1, 2, 3, it's gonna be a loud bang when I drop it on the floor, guys. Hold your ears. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Okay, so box number 2, she asked me if I'd be interested in this. And I said, so I'm messaging her back and forth, and I'm going, no, that's okay, send it to somebody else, because I don't want to be a greedy schmeedy. She goes, oh, I hope you're not mad at me, I sent it to you. No, I'm not mad. Of course, hello. Because I did want it, but I did, you know what I mean, guys? Like, I did want it, but, I just feel guilty. I feel guilty. Okay, so what is in here? Oh my, oh my, we got stuff going on here, man. We got stuff going on here. What the heck and hey. Okay, so hold on, because you didn't tell me about that. Oh man. Okay, what's going on? Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Christmas card is in the house. Okay, I was gonna say, okay, thank you. Okay. It didn't make sense to me when I opened the box. When I saw these, it didn't make sense to me, but hello, yes. Shut up, Lisa. Okay, so, thank you. Okay, so she also included, I love this cotton yarn. Oh my God, love it. Yes, I love it. Thank you. This is, I love this cotton that all you guys in the US of A can get your hands on. And I tell you, this cotton is like unbelievable. So different compared to like the, I don't know, the handicrafter cotton, the whatever cotton we can get here. Oh wow, I'm like speechless here. Okay. I don't know if I'm supposed, because, oh yeah, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, P.S. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody in the US of A. Today's the 26th. And happy birthday to Debbie, Canadian crocheter. Today's her birthday, guys. Okay, this is fabulous. Okay, so, okay, she said, what is this called, Crystal? Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm just being floored because I didn't expect this, so I'm like, okay. Okay, so, it's the 8 Days of Christmas Advent from Eco Yarns. So, here it is, guys. So all these, look! So every day, for 7 days, I get to open a present. Presents. So every day I get to open a present and they're all wrapped. So I guess do I start this December 1st? Well, I am. I don't know. So I get to open all these presents. Oh, of course I wanted it when she asked me, but I was like, oh no, give it to somebody else. Thank you for not listening to me, Crystal. I'm bad, aren't I? Whoops, I dropped that one on the floor. This is exciting, man. This is exciting. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm opening this, I think. I don't know, I'll have to check with Crystal. I think I'm opening this on December 1st. Or do I have to wait like 8 days before Christmas? Oh, I don't know. I don't care. I got presents. This is fun. Okay. Everybody have a great, oh, thank you, Crystal. You are so nice. You are so nice. Oh my God. Okay, ooh, and the special bonus is fabulous. Oh my God, this is great. What color is this? This is 100% cotton, and the color name is Pink Teal Orange, number 338. I love it. Okay. I can't stop saying okay. Okay. I gotta figure this out. I gotta message Crystal and figure out. Okay. So I'm back to, oh no, I did this, didn't I? Oh, I'm all in the flurry here. Ooh. Okay, so I'm back to finishing. Oh, I threw the box down there. Oh. You saw it. The whole box of white yarn she sent me to make my grandbaby, the blanket. So off I go. Row, I don't know, 16, 17, 18 I'm on. It's going to be a substantial blanket, isn't it? Okay, love it. Thank you, Crystal, so much. You are so sweet. Okay. Okay, I'll let you guys all go. Okay, I'm beyond myself here. I get presents. I love presents. Bye, everybody. Oh, we had like a lot of snow. When did it snow? We had like 20 centimeters of snow. And then maybe I'll include some pictures at the end. One day, like no snow. The next day we had like 20 centimeters of snow. And then I think it snowed maybe a little bit the next day. I can't remember. And then today is, it's like fog city out there. That's why I'm like bundled up. I'm freezing. Because I'm like, it's warm. It's warm. Like the temperature is warm. But you know, it's a gloomy day. And the fog hasn't left all day. And I don't know, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. And yeah, the temperature's risen. I think it's like, I don't know, 5 or 6 Celsius or something like that, or maybe more. But it's because and so everything's melting and dripping and it's raining and it's so, You know, it's cold because of that. You know, the rain cold sets in. Okay, bye guys, I'm babbling now. I can't thank you enough, Crystal. Thank you. This is so nice. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks, Crystal. I gotta stand up. Okay, bye, and thank you so much, Crystal. Everybody have a happy USA Thanksgiving. Happy birthday, Debbie, Canadian Crocheter. Bye.